friends,
I am Farhat.
and welcome to our channel Happiness for the Soul.
Let me tell you a story quickly. There once was a farmer who grew the most excellent wheat. Every season he won the award for the best wheat in his country. A wise woman came to him to ask him about his success. He told her that the key was sharing his best seeds with his neighbors so they could plant the seeds as well. The wise woman asked, "How can you share your best wheat seeds with your neighbors when they compete with you every year?"
That's simple.
The farmer replied, "The wind spreads the pollen from everyone's wheat and carries it from field to field. If my neighbors grew inferior wheat, cross pollination would degrade everyone's wheat, including mine. If I am to grow the best wheat, I must help my neighbors grow the best wheat as well." This is not only excellent advice for growing the best crops, but also great advice for how to live your life. If you want to live a meaningful and a happy life, help others find happiness. Remember, the value of your life is measured by the lives you touch with love, kindness, respect, and hope. On the same lines of the story, I have a surprise waiting for you. Let's watch it. The secret to growth is helping others grow. And happiness comes not from what you have. Happiness comes not from what you have, but how much you give. Help others achieve their dreams. Help others achieve their dreams, and you will achieve yours. Yes, agreed. We can't help everyone. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. Never underestimate the difference you can make in the lives of others. Step forward, reach out and help. Reach out to someone that might need a lift. My dear friends, we rise by lifting others. Yes, we rise only by lifting others. And you don't need money to help others. You don't need money to help others. You need a heart to help others. Never be afraid to help others in their times of need. You never know when you may need that shoulder to lean on. Helping others is a way of happiness. Helping others is a way of happiness. The strongest people make time to help others even if they are struggling with their own problems. And only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Well, we have a responsibility to help those around us and help others in need. And of course, Allah helps those who help others. Meaningful life is helping others. There's more happiness in giving than in receiving. No one has ever become poor by giving, was aptly said by Anne Frank. No candle loses its light while lighting another candle. Never stop sharing, caring, and helping others because it makes our life more meaningful. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. We make a living by what we get. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Service to others is the rent you pay for your room here on earth. Life is not a competition. Life is about helping and inspiring others so we can each reach our potential. There's no exercise better for the heart than reaching down and lifting people up. Helping one person might not change the whole world, but it could change the world for one person. Help people. Help people even when you know they can't help you back. A person's most useful asset is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help others. You have two hands, one for helping yourself, the other for helping others. Practicing compassion increases our capacity for generosity and impacts our well-being as individuals and communities. Why helping others is good for you and can help you get ahead. Helping others is a privilege and an honor. Thank you.